Man, what you forget in a month. You all know you're on the internet now, right?
What's an internet?
I thought somebody would say something funny or something, and you get a group of performers, but I gotta mute my computer. See, you forget these things in a little while. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Happy Hornpipe night, everybody! Woo! Folks will all be back with you soon enough. But for now, you get me for a little bit. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing good. It's been a while since we've checked in. Some crazy stuff has happened, and I feel like it's a weird world right now, but maybe things are getting better. We'll see. Keeping an eye on it. If you have any doubts, there's always Hornpipe Night. Hornpipe Night is here for you, and we will always be here for you. So settle back. We have some great musicians. Most of these guys are either local or regulars at Blue that we see a lot and have played at Hornpipe Night before. So we got a great cast to play you a couple hornpipes each, and we're going to move through it pretty quickly. I also, for tonight, did a little trivia. I'm going to put that in the chat right now. Only the first 20 people can join this because I didn't spring for the paid account because it was really expensive. So, like $50. I was going to do it for like a day, but, you know, not for $50. Sorry. I don't have that kind of money. I don't know who does. I'm just babbling because I forgot to do this earlier. So I just put the link. The link may not work, but copy and paste it into your browser. First 20 that get on there, you can sign up. If you're familiar with these things, you just enter your name and then you join the game, and it gives you like a waiting thing. When I start each question, it'll show up on your phone. So I recommend doing this on a phone or a different computer, or you can just do it on a different screen, but you have to pay attention. I'm going to send out the questions in between the acts at some point, and because of the computer lag, I can't just say I'm sending it now and have you look. I'm going to have to say I'm sending it now and then wait 30 seconds or so to send it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sending it as soon as the musician starts, and that's going to be right after I play for the next 10 acts. There's 10 questions. We have fabulous prizes. $25 gift certificate to Blue, donated by the wonderful folks at Blue themselves, and we should be seeing them at halftime a little bit, I believe. Second prize, I think, is a pickup curbside of a meatball sub and a beverage, complimentary beverage. We're going to be politically correct and say beverage. That's a pretty good prize, too. If you're in town, especially, drop by and get one of their yummy meatball subs. Third prize in the newsletter was kind of a joke. I'm not going to make Alden do any zooming. Alden will be right after me. He is the official father of Hornpipe Night, so make sure you give him your full attention as well. And as always, big thanks to Alden for the excellent artwork that makes this special. So the only other show I have booked right now is St. Patrick's Day. You had to do something, and I'm very happy. We got Will Woodson and Caitlin Finley to reenact their show right around the same time last year. I think it was one of the last things we actually did at Blue in person before the cutoff, I think. And it's been a long time. But they're fantastic. They have a project called the Phonograph Project. If you're not familiar, look that up. It's great stuff. And they're going to do a little bit longer than a usual show for you. Probably just a couple 45-minute sets or something. Make it special. So join us on St. Patrick's Day as well. I'm going to try and stick to the schedule, so I'm going to play now. And stick around. We got lots of stuff coming up. Thank you for joining, and thank you for being part of Hornpipe Night 4. And many more to come. Hopefully, we'll do it again in person next time. I got a couple of hornpipes for you to start you off. I hate going first, but somebody had to, and it made sense for it to be me. So this is on Sean van Vocht. That means, I believe, the poor old woman, and I apologize for the pronunciation. The second one is going to be a version I play of the Cuckoo's Nest. There's a lot of different versions. You don't hear this in sessions much because everybody plays it a little bit differently. This one, I believe, I based on what Patty Keenan does, and stole some of his tricks, probably. But I think it's a mishmash of a bunch of different versions. So we'll give it a whirl, and I hope you enjoy Hornpipe Night. Thanks for coming once again. A couple hornpipes. All right. Well, that happened. All right, folks. We're almost on time. I'm only a minute over, so I'm going to get moving with the show. Next up is the father of Hornpipe Night, and his name is Alden Robinson. Oh, I added a spotlight.
Whoa.
I guess we can spotlight two at once. Mind if I stay here? No. Everybody, please welcome Alden.
Well, geez. Here's to another Hornpipe Night. I don't really know what to say. I'm not just the father of Hornpipe Night anymore, and I haven't been, as a result, getting to play quite as much as I would like to, but one of the things that has helped me stay somewhat sane is playing with my little Tuesday night fiddle party, so I'm going to play the hornpipes that I just recorded for them yesterday because they're the ones that I currently remember, and they are both called Callahan's hornpipe. And the first one I learned from Tom, and the second one I learned from a recording by Jeremy Spencer, who's a great fiddle player from Cork. So Callahan's and Callahan's. And Owen is going to play the bones on these. Thank you very much. And nice bones playing, Owen. I don't see where Tom went, so I'm going to move my spotlight. Well, where did Tom go?
Sorry, I've been unable to get the trivia to start. Well, Alden, if you could bring Mr. Ed Pearlman on and introduce him, that would be great. And folks, keep your eye on the other device because the trivia is going to start as soon as I can figure something
All right,
out.
I'm gonna let's see here. I'm gonna unspotlight myself, and then where did Ed? There's Ed. Hi, Ed.
Hey, how are you doing?
Well, I'm okay.
That was really nice, Alden.
Gosh, thank you. I really like your artwork in the background there.
Oh, thank you.
That's
It's a painting of my father's, and
Oh,
this is
really?
the only wall in the house that could fit it. So I really enjoy having the colors
yeah.
there.
that's wicked cool.
Yeah.
Well, take it
So,
away.
all right, I'm gonna play. This is our tribute to Tom Rota keeping Irish Night at Blue going this many years, and Alden making Hornpipe Night go, and Blue itself and Therese. So I'm gonna play Honeysuckle Hornpipe, and then I'm gonna play Scholar, which is a nice hornpipe, really. So here we go. There we go. Thanks. On to more music.
All right. Thanks, Ed. Appreciate it very much. Sounded great, man. That Scholar is a great as a hornpipe.
It is nice, isn't it?
It is. Good to see you again as well. Hope everything is all good. No time to chat. Sorry. I'm going to make you go away.
Okay.
Thanks, Ed. And up next, well, it's hard to find people in here. Should be Joe. Joe's coming on. This is Joe McEachern, everybody. I hope I got close on that. It's not that.
Yeah, you're in the ballpark.
I could do it better faster, but I tried too hard. That happens a lot. So I just looked. There's only 2 people on the trivia. So whoever wants, join the trivia game because it took me 7 or 8 minutes to put it together, and another 5 or 6 to figure out how to do it on Zoom. So we got to give away the prizes to somebody. I'll wait, and I'll send the next question sometime during Joe's set, and I will put a little cue on the chat rooms live. We got a lot of people online. Thanks for joining, everybody. Aside from being Hornpipe Night 4, this is also Irish Night's 15th birthday. I forgot to mention that at the beginning, so we're having a birthday party. I don't want to take too long. Just wanted to say that, and please welcome with all your hearts, Mr. Joe McEachern.
Thank you, Tom. I'm Joe. I'm coming to you from Kittery, and like Tom just said, it's really a credible 15 years. Kudos out to Tom for everything he's done for Irish Night at Blue, and really this past year keeping it all going. It's no easy task. So really, Tom, a big thank you from all of us. I have a quick story on the accordion that I'm going to play tonight. I'm going to play a hornpipe called the Echo Hornpipe here with my friend Chuck. 20 years ago, my wife Mairead and we visited her cousin who had just purchased a house, and she was giving us a tour of the house. We ended up in the basement, and while we were down in the basement, we found this old case. And many of us have had that moment where you see something that could be an instrument, and you go and investigate, and it turned out it was an old accordion here. This is an accordion branded by Auburn DeWitt, which was a music store that was in Roxbury, Massachusetts. This is probably from the 1950s, this accordion, and at the time all the buttons had fallen off. It really wasn't playable, but my friend, teacher Paul Groff, worked his magic and brought it back to life. But what was amazing about this accordion is in the case itself was a treasure trove of music. And that's where my hornpipe tonight comes from. There was a accordion instructor book by Jerry O'Brien and a tune book of Irish folk dance, along with all kinds of manuscript. You can see Auburn DeWitt had their own stationery. It says Irish sheet music, and these are all handwritten tunes. And I'm still going through all these many years in the making. But if you recognize Jerry O'Brien, he was a very accomplished accordion player. And he taught at the Auburn DeWitt music store. But his most famous student was Joe Durain. And they recorded a number of things together. And that music store started Copley Records. And so there's just a ton of history. If you're curious, great book. See You at the Hall. Goes into all kinds of details on that. So I'm going to play from the Irish Accordion Tutor, the first hornpipe in that book, and it's called the Echo. And so I'll give that a couple goes here. Oh, by the way, in all these paperwork, I found the name Charles. Geez, I'm totally blanking on his name, Charles, but it's Chuck. And so this was Chuck's accordion, and I want to thank Chuck for letting me play it tonight, all these years later. All right, the Echo. Happy Hornpipe night.
All right, I'm coming. That one took me by surprise, Joe.
I'm keeping it short and sweet.
All right, coming back in. Thank you, Joe. It sounded great. And thanks for the background, too. It's always nice to hear. Let me check who's next. I'm having a hard time with the trivia game. I just triggered a question by accident. So if you're on there, just keep that handy in case I do that again. Next up, we have Miss Janet Lynch. Let me get rid of Joe. Find Janet. This is more of a...
That one took me by surprise, too. Wow. Okay.
All right, so go, everybody. Welcome, Janet. Go ahead, Janet. This is running a little behind, so just keep that in mind.
Yeah. I just want to make sure I'm still in tune because I'm in this room at the edge of the house where it's getting colder, but it seems pretty good. So, yeah, that was awesome, Joe, and all these hornpipes that are so lovely and light. A lot of people think that hornpipes are like really jolly and lighthearted and stuff, and so I aim to put paid to that notion this evening. I'm gonna play. No, I have one in a major key at the end. So I'm gonna play Galway Bay and the Brown Coffin, and I'm gonna finish it up with the Fairies.
Woohoo!
That's it.
Thank you, Janet.
Thanks.
Oh, she's gone.
Oh well, no, I mean, but you said, get done.
I appreciate that. Hey, good job. Thank you.
Thanks.
We'll bring Hanz in. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Hey, Hanz. Hey, Colleen. Nope.
Hello.
Yep,
Sorry,
sound would be good.
Mute ourselves.
Great to see you guys.
No, how are you?
Oh, good. You know, pandemic.
You
Full
sound great.
democracy.
Yeah.
I'm handling it. It's Hornpipe night, so everything's good with the world.
Yeah, happy anniversary to
Thank
Irish Night Blue.
Happy
15
birthday.
years, man.
And almost about to drive. Get a driver's license.
Almost. Just coming out of the tweens.
Still sleeping until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's awesome.
It's time to get a job.
That's right.
Time for Irish night to earn its keep. We'll see what happens. All right, let's keep on the program here. I'm not on the screen right now. Okay. I don't know what's going on anymore. I got a lot of screens open. So I'll be sending the next trivia question shortly. And everybody, please welcome with all your hearts, Hanz and Colleen.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Here's 2 tunes. First one's called Gary Kennedy Castle, and the second one's called The Japanese Hornpipe,
Oh.
which is a bit on the nose,
Oh.
but you know.
Yeah, when in Tokyo.
Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Thanks, guys. That sounded great. Hope all is well out there in the hinterlands.
Yeah.
They are very
Yeah.
hintery.
Y'all are welcome to come out when the snow melts and when we're not going to give each other the COVIDs anymore.
We're going to take you up on that.
Great. Excellent.
All right. Thanks again, guys. Have a good night.
Ciao.
Pew. And Neil and Katie are here. Hey, guys.
Hello.
Tom.
That was beautiful stuff.
Yes, as always. And expect some more right now. I can't believe it's going this fast. I got balancing trivia games and Facebook and YouTube. It's a lot for an old fella. But after Katie and Neil do a set, we're going to have a little intermission. That's not going to be too long, maybe 15 minutes or so. And we're going to hopefully talk to Therese if she's come. I haven't had a chance to check. And from Blue. And we'll have a little chat, and then we'll finish up the trivia and stuff. Look for another question coming soon. Everybody, please welcome Katie McNally and Neil Pearlman.
Thanks, Tom. Well, everyone has sounded so beautiful so far, and we can't wait to hang out with all of you back at Blue again someday. But in the meantime, we're going to play you a tune by Jerry Holland called Mary Claire.
All right. Thank you guys very much.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.
How have you been?
Oh, you know.
Hanging in there?
Chilling.
Yep.
Yep, I guess we're all in the same boat. But we all made it here tonight. That's what's important. Thank you very much for coming. Sounded lovely.
Thanks,
Very
Tom.
happy to see you all.
I'm going to make you go away now.
Bye.
And I just had you, but now I lost you. There's the wonderful Therese Frazier.
Hello.
Wow, I am
Everybody's
really
sounding so great.
maximizing my Zoom skills tonight. My capacity for Zooming is about maxed. Anyway, sorry to everybody. The trivia is like kind of weird, but it's out there. People are playing. Martha was killing it for a while. I think Baron's in the lead. He's gonna have a hard time collecting on that meatball sub, but be there waiting for him when he comes back to visit. So how you doing,
He's been
Therese?
writing in about the meatballs tonight.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's nice to see somebody from Irish Night order up a little meatballs. I
Very
see
good.
Ace on here. I wish everybody could see everyone. It's so great. Hi, Ace.
Miles are there.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
we could.
How are you doing, Tom?
I'm good.
Congratulations. 15 years. Happy birthday.
It's a lot of Wednesdays. I guess it's
Yeah.
congratulations. It could be, when does the therapy start? But it's been fun. It's been a
Just
long journey.
keep drinking Guinness. You're fine.
I'm taking February off. Picked a bad month, though it is the shortest one, which seems to work.
You guys wanted to do it the month after everybody else, huh?
Yeah, January's too long, and it's right after New Year's.
Oh,
It's hard.
oh, it is.
No. Take the short
No,
month.
this is sounding so great.
It's fun. Everybody's feeling it.
How many contestants do you have for this? The
I think there's
trivia?
only there's like 11 or 12 in there now. So we're about 6 questions in, so probably not worth joining now. But you never know. You get them all. Nobody's
people
really doing
should.
that well.
It'd be fun.
It's kind of a weird little side thing we got going on. But, yeah, 15 years of Wednesdays. I can't even begin to talk about what that's been like or what that means. You know, some
Oh,
of the
you miss it so much right now.
Oh, I totally
know you
miss
do.
it. I mean, I'll
do.
try not to be a wise ass for 3 minutes, and I'll say I miss it probably more than anything else. Well, definitely more than anything else, and playing in sessions as well, but especially playing in that session. It's been my mainstay. It's kind of my social outlet, which I've discovered it's bleak reality during the pandemic. We had a great time there. We got a great crew. We've had a number of great crews over the years. It's changed a lot, and it's just
has.
better. The ticketed shows that have come in there have been more than special. I would say, something I'm actually proud of, which is unusual for me. And it's been a great community, and that's what I always wanted it to try and be. So I'm real happy, and I really, really want to get back in there. So please tell us. We're gonna get back in there. How's it
We
going?
will. I'm holding strong. I can't wait until we can all be back together again for sure, Tom. And you're right. It's been such a different rotation of people, but yet it feels the same. I saw Tim comment. I missed Tim. I lost you. Now I'm just talking to myself.
No, I'm trying to read the chat too. I literally have 8 screens open between everything.
Nice.
I don't know what I was doing planning. Did I skip somebody? No, I didn't.
I'll do a little dance.
I had 20 minutes for this, and I think we got there a little sooner than I thought. So
No, I kind of wish everybody was joining in on the conversation right now and make it feel like we were all hanging out in the room together again.
I could let everybody in, but then it's just going to be a madhouse anyway. They're all going to talk at once.
I think
That's for a
what
couple
you
more
should have
minutes.
organized actually is each room saying a part of the bucket speech.
Well, give us the skinny on Blue. How's it looking? What's the plan?
There's
Any plan?
nothing new to say. We have to wait for the lounge license to allow us to open. So we're a lounge license, in case you didn't know. You need to be a restaurant license right now to open. And we're waiting it out until it's nice and safe for everybody. And we're doing live stream 5 nights a week. Meg is taking that on. And it's going as good as it can be.
Yeah, I'm psyched to meet Meg in person. We met virtually, but not even
watching. She's watching right now with her mom, who's a big fan of Celtic music.
Oh, great.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to getting back in there. So hopefully new administration, maybe some help will come your way, and maybe everybody will get vaccinated. We'll be back there sooner than we think. It doesn't look that way right now.
Yeah.
Sure.
Maine Music Alliance is doing a lot. We've been getting grant money here and there from them, which is really, really great. So definitely support Maine Music Alliance. They're there for all venues in Portland, and then also the Save Our Stages Act, which is through NEVA. So those are
Great.
As musicians, if you want to check out some places, those are some good organizations to look into. Good
causes.
Yeah.
I'll mention that all the proceeds from tonight are going to go to Blue and Irish Night. So I've just put the link into Facebook and YouTube. And if you get a chance, we'd appreciate it if you could go there to the PayPal page and put in a number. Any number's good, whatever you think. I guess we're going back and forth as one of us talks. That's weird. I'm sorry. This is all new to me. So we appreciate you. We appreciate your donations. Everything goes, we're going to try and keep Blue open and ready for when we come back. And if you're out of state, if you're from another country, wherever it may be, you may be watching this a week from now, wondering what the hell I'm talking about with this trivia game that's no longer online. Make Blue a destination. Come in, even if it's not for Irish Night, which it should be. But even if it's not, come for any other show there. It's a special place. There's not many venues left like it, that intimate and cozy with really comfortable feeling to it and great staff that makes it that way. Good food and great drinks and good sound, and it's just a great place to see live music. And
Thanks, Tom.
that's not often the main priority these days. So we're glad
Well, I think we all need to give you a huge round of applause because you really have created that community within Portland and especially within Blue. And it's a community I'm incredibly happy to be a part of. And it's very special. And the amount of support that this community has given Blue has been amazing through this year, I have to say. So thank everybody for donating and doing curbside and all that fun stuff.
It takes a village. That's my 2021. I'm going to stop saying that so much. Also want to mention in the first set there, both Hanz and Katie McNally have new CDs out, I think. I've been paying attention, but Hanz has a shakuhachi flute album. If you don't know about that whole tradition, go look them up. Maybe somebody will stick a link in there. I'm a little busy, but getting great reviews already. And Katie has a new album, I think with Neil as well. It's the Katie McNally Trio with Neil and another person whose name I should remember, but I don't right now. And it's bound to be fantastic stuff. So go check that out and pick up some music. Go do these online concerts if you can. Donate some money if you can. It's the best way you could help out the musicians that need it right now. We'll see you all again someday at Blue, maybe for another 15 years. We'll see. My heart holds out.
You better.
Walking every day. So how's the salon? Is it good? I'm not going to really milk this for another 10 minutes. Owen and Liana, you got to get ready. You're going early. We're moving things up, folks.
No, definitely buy music. I every night that we're on, that's the big plug for us. Buy music. Support your local musicians by going on to their website or Bandcamp. Bandcamp, if you have to buy indirectly, definitely. So, and support live streams.
Cool. And you got a new business, and that's
yeah.
If anybody wants to know, Therese is now the owner of the Raven Salon, right? Yeah.
Yes.
In downtown Portland, and
it was a very unique opportunity.
Get coiffed, get pampered. I'm sure they will do a wonderful job. So, hope probably once the things are safe, it's going to take off like a bat out of hell because everybody's going to want to get fancy hairdos after 10 months of this or whatever has been a year of this.
I've seen you more scraggly, Tom.
I know. I really can't blame the pandemic. This is kind of average for me, but they're going to make me turn my camera on at work soon, so it's all coming off soon. All right. I think we've milked it enough.
Yes,
it's
definitely.
Great seeing you,
So yeah, donate to live streams and buy music.
Should we bring in the father of Hornpipe Night for a second?
Yeah.
You're in. And Kate's there too. Alden and Kate, everybody. Just wanted to thanks, Therese. Thanks for joining. So we went. Oh yeah, great. I'll keep my voice down. This is Eben, Alden, and Kate's new son, everyone. And he is
first Hornpipe Night.
His first Hornpipe Night. It's epic, and he's obviously a fan.
Yeah, loves it.
He's picture ready all the time.
Yeah.
So there's a little treat. I was kind of hoping that we were going to get to see him.
He had a special Hornpipe Night poop earlier.
A cornucopia. That's awesome. No, okay. We better get back to the music.
Yeah.
I just love that that's documented right now.
It's forever on YouTube.
First Hornpipe Night poop.
I can't wait till he's 18 and I play that for him. Anyway, good to see you, Kate. Good to see you, Evan. And I wanted to check in with Alden. Alden and I hatched this devious plan about 4 years ago, and he's just as responsible as I am. So I like to put it on him, make him pay, and does all the amazing artwork, of course, as well. But I can't milk this anymore. I was trying to keep kind of on schedule, but we somehow got ahead of schedule. So we should have had people play longer. That would have been nice. But I'm bringing in Owen and Liana here. They're next on the list. So if everybody's paying attention, hopefully you'll be ready a few minutes early. If not, you're going to hear me talk. We're going to say goodbye to Alden. Thank you, Alden. Thank you for showing us everything. Hey, guys. How's it going?
Hey, Tom. Good. How are you?
Good. Welcome to Act 2, everybody. We got just about the same amount of music for you. And we've got some great people to start it off for you. This is Mr. Owen Marshall and Liana Wolk from their wonderful home in what the hell part of town is that?
It's a good question.
Right Nav?
Libbytown, but potentially Oakdale. I don't know. It's hard to say.
It's one of those things. But anyway, they got a cool little house over there, and we're going to hear some tunes now. So back to the music, everybody. I'll be sending out another trivia question in just a minute. Take it away, guys. Good to see you.
Great.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, Tom. I think I would like to suggest that a trivia question is what age will Eben Robinson come to terms with his first hornpipe poop? What was the age that Tom said? It was 18, which we were laughing because it's like, is that the legal age that like you find out that you poop? Is that what that is? But anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a hornpipe, but Liana doesn't have a fiddle.
What? Yeah, well, I'm not playing a fiddle.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So we're going to try something a little experimental. You know, it's been a crazy year and you got to find new ways to entertain yourself. So we're just going to jam out on some bouzouki and pump organ. You want to jam?
Yeah, let's jam. Let's do it.
No, what's the name of this one?
Her long golden hair flowing down her back. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Junior Korean tune. Her long black hair or her long golden hair, depending on what the audience is, I guess. So I think we'll take it away. So Liana on the pump organ, a debut.
Literally, like this week, it's my debut. So
yeah,
bear with me.
That was gorgeous.
Oh, thanks.
Nice job, Liana.
Good job.
Yeah, it was perfect.
Literally
I was
doing
like,
that
oh,
today.
Liana's at the piano. I didn't want to say anything. I figured you played piano all the time, and I just wasn't really hip to it. But if that's your debut, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Sounded great. Pump Organ is awesome, and that's a great tune, man. One of my favorites.
Yeah.
Mr. Korean. Cool stuff. How you guys doing? Braving the storm?
Yeah. Same day every day.
Groundhog Day. Yeah. There was a lot of Groundhog Days jokes yesterday going on. We seem to be living it, but
Yeah.
cool, man. Well, thanks you very much for the pretty music, and thanks for joining us tonight.
Of course.
We miss you all.
I'm gonna bring in Mr. Isacke, Miles Isacke, everybody. Say goodbye to Owen and Liana. You can say hi to Miles quick if you want.
Oh, hey, Miles. Hi.
All right, see you guys. Hey, Miles.
Hey, Tom. How's it going?
Good. We got a little extra time, so I'm just gonna say hi to everybody.
Oh, that sounds great.
This is like base social time for like a year now. This is gonna be great.
This is more people than I've seen in one.
Where's Ace? I thought we'd say hi to her too.
Here, Ace, come say
Sit on the couch, Ace. I was gonna bring you in earlier when Therese was here, but I figured we'd see you. Hey, we miss everybody. Aislinn was our bartender, our main bartender at Irish Night for a very long time. What was it, like 6 or 7 years?
It was
5,
6
6?
years, yeah.
6 years?
I don't know if
Has-
you can count last year at all, but we'll.
Yeah, I guess that's true. Yeah, who cares anyway? But is there for a long part of Irish Night, and was a part of us, and we're a part of her, and now she's stuck with Miles too. So very happy to see Irish Night love, blossom into a full thing. It's always a good thing. Ace is moving on and going back to school for nursing, right?
Yeah, I'm currently
Fantastic.
in school right now. It's a thing. Homeschooling 2 kids and going to school turns out to be harder than
Challenge, huh?
But yeah, it's good.
That's awesome. I'm sure you're up for it, and I can't think of a better profession for you.
Thanks.
You ooze
Just going to another
nurture.
version, taking care of other people.
You might as well get paid for it.
Yeah. I got paid for it. Yeah. No, yeah.
All right.
But I'll let you listen to music, and then I'll.
Great to see you, Ace. All right, Miles. Good to see you, my friend.
Yeah, good to see you, Tom. Thanks
Take it
so
away.
much. Yeah. Well, hey, everyone. I wanted to say thank you to Tom, and thank you to Alden and to Therese. Miss seeing everyone, but sitting here watching people, I've felt fractions of the feeling of what it's like to be at Hornpipe Night. I was talking to Aislinn earlier today about last Hornpipe Night was almost turned into a riot because of the bingo that was going on. So last year I was imagining what new crazy thing could happen this year, and we found it. So it's really good to see everyone, and miss you, and hope we can do Hornpipe 5 in person. But I'm gonna play the banjo. I'm gonna play 2 hornpipes. The first one I got from Hanz. I don't know if he's on anymore. I don't remember the name, but I believe it was written by the fiddle player Dale Russ. And the second one is another Junior Korean tune, which actually beats Owen and Liana's Junior Korean tune in terms of ridiculously long, wordy titles. If I'm correct, I believe it is Nelly, Your Favor, I'm Afraid I Will Never Gain. Some combination of all those words. It's ridiculously long. Anyway, hope you enjoy.
stuff, Miles.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. So, how you doing? New house?
Yeah, new house. Yeah, things are great. Yeah, it feels like both, a month and 5 years since we last.
You look like you've been in the woods the whole time.
True. Yeah.
I just haven't seen you with
not a lot of grooming.
long hair before.
Yeah, not a lot of grooming happening.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Just the important stuff.
I look forward to the warmer weather when, maybe we can see each other's faces someday.
That sounds good. Me too, man. Yeah. Sounded great. Thank you very much for some tunes. And say goodbye to Ace, and we'll talk to you soon, man.
Talk to you soon.
Hey, Bill.
Hey, Tom. Good to see you.
Good to see you. How you doing?
Pretty good. Can't complain.
It's good. You enjoying Hornpipe night so far?
Yeah, of course. And it's great to see you and great to hear everybody. It's awesome. Really nice.
Yeah, big fun.
Yeah.
Bill's played the last couple, maybe, I forget, last three? Last two?
Two, I think. Last two, yeah.
Hornpipe nights, and lives close by. I knew Bill a while ago through the piping world, and he wound up moving up to Maine, so he gets to play up with all the nice folks up in Bath on a regular basis. Hopefully we'll all be able to go back and check that out again for too long.
Yeah, back in the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, in the meantime, take it away, man.
All righty. Well, great to hear everybody, and it's a real pleasure to hear everybody play and see all that stuff. You can see Tom. I've got a couple old standards I've known for quite a while, and Alexander's and the Little Stack of Wheat. I'm done.
Great stuff. I know. I got you, Bill. I'm coming. Zoom is a funny program. All right. Sounded good, man. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Tom.
You holding out good up there in the north?
Yeah, doing some cross country skiing, and I've got addicted to English Premier League football, so that's keeping me kicking.
Yeah. We all need something. All right, man. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah. Thanks, Tom. Thanks to everybody. Bye-bye.
See you, Bill. All right, next up, I believe they said to use the Loper vision. There we go. It's Glen, Loper, and Bethany Waickman, everybody. Hey, guys. Say something, because I can't hear you yet. I knew they'd have to get fancy with the sound. So only 2 more trivia questions left. Everybody. Where's Bob? Let's bring Alden back. Hey, Alden, you're on mute, by the way. Is everybody in the breakout room, or?
No, nobody used the breakout room.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I thought, but I couldn't get in there anyway. It wouldn't give me that join option again. Let's go give these guys a second
very
to
good in there.
fix their sound.
Yeah.
So what happened to? I don't see Bob anymore.
Oh, where'd Bob go? Oh, oh, there he is.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, Bob.
Oh, are you just muted, Bob? You're still muted.
Yeah, I had my video and sound.
Okay, that's why I can't see anybody. I got it now. That's what I asked everybody to do anyway.
I have a cat.
Hey, Bob, you ready?
Yeah, give me like 2 seconds.
All right, we'll come back to you. Glen and Bethany, can you guys hear me? We're gonna let Bob go, and then we'll come back to you. All right. All right, man. Thanks, Alden. I'm gonna let you go too.
All right, it's been real. I'll be here.
All right. Watch Tom pivot. I'm not bad at it. Hey, Bob, how you doing?
All right, hanging in there.
Thank you for your flexibility.
Sue and I are half vaxxed.
Oh yeah, half vaxxed. So you got your first one.
Yeah. There's
Congratulations.
There's the occasional perks for being elderly.
I'm still trying to get my mom one. She's 86 in New Jersey, but they really banjax their whole vaccine distribution. They're out everywhere. So I'm calling places. Other people in my family are calling places every day, trying to get her into some kind of registration, but they just don't have any. So she has to stay home for a bit. But Jody's got hers. She's on the front line, so she got hers a few weeks ago. I'm looking forward to getting mine, but I think I'm rightfully much further down on the list. I'm in no hurry. I'll let other people go first, but hope we all get it. Hope we all act responsibly, and I hope the whole country grows up a little in the next few months, because it's getting scary there for a bit. But I think seems like we're turning the ship around a little bit, maybe.
Slowly.
That's a realistic answer from somebody who's seen it before. I know, but. Yeah, but it's better than the other way, right? At least it was going one way for a long time, and now maybe it's going to go the other way for a little bit. So that's how it works, I guess. In any case, I didn't mean to get serious right before a year's set. But thanks for jumping in. Glen and Bethany are figuring out their sound. So this is Bob Dunlavey, everybody, from the Portsmouth, New Hampshire area. Bob is a regular at our Monday night session over at our Riley's Cure in Scarborough, which I hope comes back again someday, and then we get to play some tunes again on a regular basis. So if you're ready, take it away, Bob.
Okay, first I'd like to thank Tom for 15 years of putting this all together, and for production of Hornpipe Night, and to Alden for his creativity and being the father of Hornpipe Night, and all the creativity with the posters and the bingo last year and everything. So it's been a lot of fun for 4 years. So a couple of hornpipes. The first one is one of the many versions of the Blackbird. And the second one is one I got from Billy McComiskey called O'Donnell's. Happy Hornpipe Night, everybody.
All right. Thank you, Bob. It sounded great, man. I'm getting caught unawares tonight. It's not that I don't know what's coming. It's that I have too much stuff going on. And a new Macintosh that I still don't understand. Anyway, that sounded great, man. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to getting together again soon and playing some tunes. I think you're on mute, but you're on mute, Bob. We'll talk to you later.
All right,
Glen and Bethany. Oh, sorry, man.
Anyway, thanks again.
Thank you, man. Happy Hornpipe Night. All right, you guys there now?
Yeah, can you hear us?
Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. Technology fail on Hornpipe Night. It's really embarrassing.
That's all right. That's we worked it out well. So everybody, Glen, Loper, and Bethany Waickman, take it away, guys.
All right, thanks, Tom.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Congratulations to first prize trivia winner, Baron Collins Hill, all the way from Portland, Oregon. Baron, I have your email. I'll send them your email. They can send you out their gift certificate that way. You can send Blue your address. And congratulations to Martha Wynn for second place. I will send them your email as well, Martha, and they can tell you how you can come pick up your meatball sub. Thanks for playing, everybody. We'll never doing that again. All right. But it was fun. I don't know how to show the results. Some of the questions were kind of funny, I thought, but hey, we'll never see them now. Anyway, Glen and Bethany, take it away, guys.
All right, thanks, Tom. Big thanks to Bob for stepping in when we were all kind of fouled up. And yeah, I hope those meatballs taste good sent across the country. That'll be pretty
thanks
fun.
to Martha Wynn for this jade jungle behind us.
Yep. So we're going to play 2 hornpipes. First one I found in O'Neill's called Murray's Hornpipe. And then the second one is called The Smell of the Bog. That's it from us. Back to you, Tom.
All right. Thank you, guys. Sounded great.
Thanks.
I just replaced you instead of adding myself. Sorry. Here, let's bring you back on for a second, since it's easy. So how you guys doing? You hanging in there?
Yeah, we're doing all right. We got a little blue takeout to sort of get in the spirit for tonight. We're drinking Narragansetts, and Living the life. Yeah.
Like you were there.
Yeah, it's like we were there. Only it's not quite as dark. Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, I have to say my house is darker since me and Jody hang out at Blue so much. We've come to expect it. I move like a cougar in the night.
You
It's
don't
a
say.
little mental picture for you. So thanks again. Sounded great. And we hope we will see you soon in person.
Yeah, I hope we get to see everybody.
I'm going to send you away and bring on our last act for the evening. We've made it all the way here, folks. Hey, Will. Hey, Caitlin.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
How are you guys? You hanging in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are.
Yeah, not too bad for February, you know?
Yeah, well, a little bit of snow. Not too bad. Can't complain.
It was getting weird without it, you know? Plus, this is Caitlin's, I think Tom knows, but probably a lot of people watching don't know. Caitlin is now a full-time resident of Portland, and it wouldn't be her first Maine winter without, at least a few feet of snow.
Yeah.
So,
Be disappointing.
yeah.
That's true. Well, maybe March will, come in like a lion for you.
That always does.
Well, being here for about, 20-something years now, I have memories of playing St. Patrick's Day in a parka with ski pants on, hauling PAs through like a foot and a half of snow, and I have memories of playing it in shorts and sandals, sitting outside by the ferry terminal in between gigs just to catch the traffic and make some more money because it was like 70 degrees outside. So you never know which way the wind will blow, but it's going to be cold sooner or later. So these guys have a great thing, which I hope they'll take a minute to tell you about, called the Phonograph Project. They update their Patreon regularly, though they're somehow too busy to do it for the next couple months. Taking a little break, I'm just teasing. But they put a lot of work, a lot of love and effort into it, do transcriptions and videos for the whole thing. And it's they're doing a lot of music from the 20s and 30s, I guess, mostly.
That's right,
People
yeah.
like Michael Coleman and Tom Ennis was the most recent one from that great, what would you call it, golden age of Irish music with the recordings and really coming out for the first time in mass numbers, and some of the best players still, all time there. So you guys take your time, play a good set, and then we're going to come back and say goodbye. I just want to tell everybody I'm going to put the Zoom link in if anybody wants to come on at the end and chat for a bit. Probably be a madhouse, but that's okay. Come on in and see what's up, and maybe we'll have some fun. If not, we'll see you soon. I'm going to give the show over to these guys. Take it away, Will and Caitlin. Will Woodson and Caitlin Finley, everybody.
Thanks a bunch,
Thanks so
Tom.
much.
Yeah, we'll try a couple of hornpipes now that we actually recorded as part of our. I don't know. Probably if you're watching this, you've already heard about it. So and Tom did a great job of introducing it too. So we'll keep the chatter about the project itself to the minimum. But yeah, the Phonograph Project has just kind of been our way to do a deep dive into the kind of Irish music we love the most, which is Irish music from the 1920s and 30s. It was recorded so extensively here in America. And yeah, over at the Phonograph Project, we just kind of, dork out about it, I guess.
Yeah.
Record a bunch of stuff, and there's transcriptions of the tunes and kind of tutorials, and we
Audio recordings. Yeah, we take our time learning this stuff to really learn the settings from the original recordings.
Yeah. But yeah, if you're a big dork about Irish music, which if you're watching this you probably are, go ahead and it's patreon.com/phonograph project if you feel like checking it out. Yeah, we'll try. What are these?
Oh, well, actually, that's a good segue because this is the set we recorded for that. These are Pole Halfpenny and Fishers, which was that was a Carney and Morrison, a recording originally made by piper Michael Carney and fiddler James Morrison back in the 20s.
Yeah,
and we'll try them.
Morrison's probably is your favorite fiddler.
Yes.
And Carney is absolutely one of my favorite pipers. And they recorded this in great style, so we'll do our best with them anyways.
All right. Good stuff.
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks, Tom.
We made it through, anyways.
That was great. And if I made fun of Miles' hair, I have to point out that I've never seen you with such unruly hair, Mr. Woodson.
Oh, it's getting really, 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 really bad.
You must be ripping through your Brill Cream budget there.
That's honestly the Patreon over there is barely keeping me in hair product alone.
Well, hey, it's worth it just for that. I know it takes a lot of effort. Maintain that, sheen.
Yeah.
Well, that sounded great. I'm glad things are going so well. And you got to take a little time off. Congrats, Caitlin. I heard you got a new gig up here and everything.
Thank you. Yes, I do. I'm very excited.
Cool. We get to keep you for a while. Well, welcome again to town, and glad you guys have been putting out some amazing stuff during the pandemic. So it's been keeping everybody, something new comes in once in a while, and you get to check it out and hear some new music you haven't heard in a while. Who knows? That's a really great thing, and it was really good timing. And I think you guys do a really loving and caring job on it. It's really nice stuff. So
thanks, Tom. That's very kind of you.
Go check out the Phonograph Project, folks. Somebody put the link in there, at least on Facebook. So George Keith just posted a picture of a hair clipper. I don't know if that's for me or for you.
I've been thinking about it, but Caitlin keeps on having nightmares about a version of me with a shaved head, so I think it's off the table for now, I'm afraid.
All right. Well, I'm going to send you guys away and say goodbye to these folks. Good stuff, but everybody who's in here, stick around. We're going to have a little Zoom chat if anybody wants. But it's great to see you guys. Sounded great. And, oh, God, we almost didn't say it out loud. These guys are going to be the only other thing I have on the schedule for this year so far until, things change or I get, bored again and want to do more online shows, which might happen, but don't hold your breath. But we have one more great one lined up. I couldn't, St. Patrick's Day is on a Wednesday this year. It doesn't line up often that much. Of course, it's a weird year to do that, but we had to have something, and I asked these guys, and they were very gracious to say that they would do it. So we're going to have a very special St. Patrick's Day concert, 8 o'clock on the same YouTube and Facebook channels for Irish Night of Blue with Will Woodson and Caitlin Finley. It's going to be a little longer than the older ones were, not too much, but a little more of a full concert. And I believe Will's going to play completely naked. So whether that's a plus or not, I think I'm filling out the paperwork with YouTube now. So you might need to type in your credit card before you watch that one. But
we probably should make that some sort of a Patreon, like a subscriber goal or something like that. But I think that would just drive our entire business into the ground. So I don't know.
If you want to come back on the 17th, you got don't go to a pub. That would be dumb. So please don't do that, and come by here instead and hang out with us and hear some really fantastic music. These guys are gonna knock it out of the park, and we'll all feel very Irish for a little while.
I'll probably have a haircut by then.
Me too. All right, guys, I'll say goodnight to you now, and then see you in a minute.
Yeah, thanks so much, Tom.
Yep. All right, everybody, that's it for our show. We're going to hit the stop button now. Thank you all for joining. There was a good few people on tonight on both sites. It's nice to see. Sorry we're not doing these weekly anymore, but maybe we'll start again sometime. Let me know what you think if you're into that. I'm glad you were here for this one. Thanks to all the musicians very much for showing up and doing this. It's not that hard, but it's not that easy either. And, it's great that everybody came and put on a great show. We heard some really good hornpipes and had some good jokes, too. We had trivia winners, Martha and Baron. And, it's exciting all around. We got to see young Eben Robinson, which was a treat, and talked to Therese from Blue, another treat. So all good stuff. And Hornpipe Night 5 is looking good already. Hope to see you all there in person next year. In the meantime, as I always say, just be nice to each other out there. Everybody be kind, be nice, and we'll get through this all together. No problem. Go get your shots as soon as you can, and wear a mask. Don't be an idiot. Stay safe. All right. Have a good night, folks. Happy Hornpipe Night. We'll see you.